Hello everyone, I've got two new London buses from the brand Corgi, both Beatles livery. Do I have to explain who the Beatles are? I don't think so. We all know that. Very famous band from the UK. And the cool thing is, I also have 164 Beatle figures. Yes, these are 164 models. And I think they look very cool. I've got a couple of these buses, and I even got another Beetle one that I can show you later. But let's start with this one. So this is the package. And here we got a famous photo from the zebra crossing. And one of them is walking with bare feet and a cigarette. And I wonder if the figures right here, if that figure will have bare feet. We will see. Okay, let's open this up. I think I need a knife. No, there is no... there we go. And for the ones who are interested in the barcode, here it is. And if you want to read the rest, freeze the frame. I hate this. This is so annoying. Why do they do that? It's terrible. Oh man, I don't have time for that. There we go. Yeah, beautiful artwork. The Beatles, Abbey Road. Yeah, that's the name. I think this one is driving around in that area. Come together, something. Octopus Garden, Here Comes the Sun. A couple of songs from the Beatles. The Beatles, Abbey Road. Yeah, this is completely made out of metal. The wheels aren't rubber, unfortunately. They're made out of plastic. Would be much better if it was made out of rubber with double wheels in the back. Very basic plastic base with no details at all. And here is where the driver is. Steering wheel is painted, but it is a stump. Okay, and then we have this one. Diecast metal model. Same photo on the side. Also the photo of Abbey Road. And here we got the faces of the Beatles. There is a conspiracy theory that one of the Beatles died in a car crash. And there was a contest at that time. Who is the best Beatle lookalike? And the one that won the contest is now one of those Beatles. I'm not really into that conspiracy, but you definitely have to check out if you are into conspiracies. Yeah, why have I picked this one? Because of the artwork, faces of the Beatles. I'm not a big Beatles fan, but I really like their music. And also the green drive my car, Norwegian wood. This bird has flown. If I need someone in my life. Yeah. Very nice artwork. I like that. Here on top, also we got the same base, the same interior. Okay, let's have a look at the other one I got. Did a review about it a long time ago. And it's right here. Always good to have a look in my display cabinet. I get a lot of questions. Can you show your complete collection? Well, if I have to show my complete collection, I'm busy a couple of days. But sometimes I show something. Here is my movie section. I have a lot of movie cars. I love movie cars. Yeah, that's me with Patrick. Robert Patrick, the guy from Terminator 2. Got a photo and an autograph on this truck from Terminator 2. Really cool. And the person on the right side. Left side is a very good friend of mine. Here is it, the yellow submarine. Let's take it out and see if the packaging is the same. Oh, something really cool here in this can. 164 A-Team figures. Hey, we all live in a yellow submarine. And this is the yellow submarine bus. Same. Meh. Corgi, please, if you make these buses again, do something with the package, you know? Always the same. Feels a little bit autistic. I understand that the bus will stay the same. No change of details, steering wheels, a stump, no rubber tires, metal base or whatever, but the packaging, that wouldn't be too hard, right? Okay, let's have a look at those figures from the brand Moreart. Yeah, I'm not sure if they're still available. The Beatles Puppets suit. Yep, this one has bare feet and a cigarette in his hand. Well, we'll find out. Let's see. Be careful, be careful. So, let's see. The person in this person in white. Okay, at Moreart they thought he's red-headed. He has a red beard, but this is definitely dark brown. Oh, sorry, I don't know all the names from the Beatles. Like I said, I'm not a true Beatles fan. I like their music. This one should have a beard that goes all the way on top to his ears. Suit is okay. And then we got the one with the bare feet. I think they said that this one died in a car accident. And this is the look-alike. Yeah. This one, except for the cigarette, there's no cigarette, but let's be honest, if you place a cigarette in his hand, it will break easily. And this one looks also okay, got a beard, but I think it's more a mustache. But still, it is cool that I have 1/64 Beatle figures. Now I have to make a photo with this bus like this, and that they walk out of the bus. Not going to do it today. There will come a photo with that. So this one is something like this or something. Yeah, it has to be something like this. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Very important, don't forget to like and share, and have a very good day. Bye.